Are you looking for best IKEA dining chairs? IKEA's dining chairs blend functionality with modern design. They offer comfort, durability, and aesthetic appeal. Whether you need chairs for a formal dining room or a casual kitchen nook, IKEA has something to suit your style. Their collection includes various materials like wood, metal, and plastic, each with unique features. List number 1, Alix's set of 4 dining kitchen mid-century modern chairs. Transform your dining space with the Alix's set of 4 mid-century modern chairs. Perfect blend of style and comfort. The wood legs add a touch of elegance, making them ideal for any setting. White PU leather cushions provide a cozy seating experience. Suitable for living rooms, bedrooms, or outdoor lounges. Elevate your home decor effortlessly. Advantages. The chairs feature elegant mid-century modern design for stylish interiors. Durable wood legs ensure stability and long-lasting use. PU leather cushions offer comfort and easy cleaning. Ideal for various spaces like living rooms and bedrooms. Suitable for outdoor use, adding versatility to your furniture collection. List number 2, the durable Henrix chair cover. Enhance your dining space with the durable Henrix chair cover. Designed to fit IKEA chairs perfectly. Crafted from polyester flax in a calming beige shade. Offers both style and protection. Transform your chair with this easy-to-use slipcover. Ideal for a fresh, modern look. Advantages. Custom fit ensures a snug, tailored look for your chair. Polyester flax material offers durability and easy maintenance. Beige color complements various interior styles effortlessly. Protects original upholstery from wear, spills, and stains. Simple to install and remove for convenient cleaning. List number 3, Sweet Crispy Dining Chairs set of 4, Dining Room PU Leather Mid-Century. Elevate your dining space with the Sweet Crispy Dining Chairs set of 4. Stylish and modern. Black PU leather adds a touch of elegance. Upholstered seats ensure comfort during meals. Wood legs provide sturdy support and a classic look. Perfect for home kitchens seeking a mid-century vibe. Advantages. Enhance any space with stylish, modern design. Eye-catching appeal. Easy to clean and maintain. PU leather resists stains. Comfortable seating with soft upholstery. Enjoy long meals. Sturdy wood legs offer stability. Reliable support for everyone. Perfect for dining rooms or kitchens. Versatile and adaptable. List number 4, Flash Furniture Elon Series Plastic Modern Dining Chair. Elevate your dining experience with the Flash Furniture Elon Series Plastic Modern Dining Chair. This chair features sleek wooden legs. Its mid-century modern design fits perfectly in dining rooms and offices. The white color adds a fresh and clean look. Enjoy comfort and style in one beautiful chair. Advantages. Stylish design enhances any dining room or office space. Durable plastic seat ensures long-lasting comfort and support. Wooden legs provide stability and a touch of elegance. Easy to clean, saving time on maintenance. Lightweight construction allows for effortless movement and rearranging. List number 5, Furax Preassembled Modern Style Dining Chair Mid-Century. Enhance your home with the Furax Preassembled Modern Style Dining Chair. This set of 4 white chairs fits any room. Perfect for your kitchen, dining, bedroom, or living room. The sleek, mid-century modern design adds a touch of elegance. Made from durable plastic, they offer comfort and style. Enjoy hassle-free assembly, as these chairs come pre-assembled. Advantages. Effortless style enhances any room's aesthetic instantly. A perfect fit. Pre-assembled design saves time and energy. Ready to use. Durable materials ensure long-lasting use. Built to last. Lightweight construction allows easy movement. Flexible seating options. Comfortable seating promotes relaxation and enjoyment. Sit back, relax,